Hello, welcome to Garden Nurseries in Virginia. We have a jungle corner in the corner of the nursery here. Briars and bits of roots of all sorts in this area. Now, the tool to get this area back in shape is a combi hose. That's a combi hoe number 4 and that's a combi hoe number 6. They're the long handled ones and these are the short handled fellas. Really reliable, tough tools to use. They're made completely from solid Swedish boron steel, so you can't go wrong with them. Now, we've got briars, we've got all sorts of rubbish in this area, and very quickly we can get the roots out like that there. Now, it's a total full of roots and an awful mess of a spot, but very quickly we can get an area like this back into production with a combi hoe. So it's really effective. Make sure there's no pipes underneath the ground or anything like that you're going to make a mess with, but it's just a total mess of an area, and very quickly we can get it back into some sort of production again. You can see how quickly that little square there, we've got that cleaned off. Great tool for semi-digging the soil with as well. This area has been nothing done with it in, I'd say, 25 years. But very quickly you can get an area cleaned off with a combi hoe. That's combi hoe, this combi hoe number 6 and number 4. Very much tools fit for purpose. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.